I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop the beeping sound on a Synology NAS. Step 1. Open a web browser and then open the Synology DiskStation Manager or DSM. Step 2. Click Control Panel on your DSM home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the System section and then click Hardware and Power. The Hardware and Power screen is displayed. Step 4. Make sure General is selected at the top of this screen and then navigate down to the Beep Control section. You'll see checkmark next to all of the reasons that your Synology NAS is currently configured to beep to notify you about. Additionally, in the lower part of this section, you can see the reason your Synology NAS is currently beeping. If your Synology NAS is currently beeping and you want to mute it, all you need to do is click Mute. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.